Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. Happy Wednesday. I'm glad you're joining me this morning. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Today, the M in STEM stands for music because we are making our own pan flutes. And if you don't know what those are, well, you're in the right place because you're going to find out. But first, we are going to play Spot the Quapples. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find all of them. Of course, the Quapple is our education logo right there in the bottom left corner of your screen. The apple with the Quest Q in it. There are 5 hidden in this music room for you to find. Let me know if you find them all. Are any of you in music? Let me know what instrument you play. I used to play the saxophone and I played the baritone in college. So I like music. I've never played the flute or the pan flute, and you'll see how well I do today. About 10 seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer. Were you able to find all 5 Quest Bites, Quapples? If you did, awesome. If you did not, no worries. We'll play again on Friday. So, what are you going to need to make your own pan flutes? Well, you'll need plastic straws. Wide straws would work best, like boba tea straws, but regular straws also work, which is what I use today. Cardstock, scissors, and double-sided tape. You might also want to decorate your cardstock and your pan flutes, so you might need some materials like that too, like glitter. I always say we should add glitter to our project, so that's something you could add. So how are you going to set this up? You're going to take your 5 straws and cut them at varying lengths. These are cut at 6 inches, 5.5, 5, 4, and 3.5. That's all in the instructions. You'll cut 2 strips of cardstock, 7 inches by 1.5 inches. And of course, you should decorate it because it looks way more fun like that. Then you'll put the double-sided tape inside one of the cardstock strips to place these straws on. And you'll start with the medium length in the middle and the longest and the shortest on the outside so that you can have them equally across your cardstock piece. Then you'll put the double-sided tape on the other cardstock piece so you can close in your pan flute. Now we're ready to play. But what is going to happen? So as you blow across your flute, you're making the air in the straw vibrate. So you're actually hearing the air inside the straw and not the flute itself. You change the pitch by changing the length of the straws. This long straw will have the lowest note, and this short straw will have the highest note. I like my circles here. Do you like my circles? I think I did pretty good. So let's listen to see how I did playing my pan flute. I kind of surprised myself. Just kidding. I can't play the pan flute that good, but I can still hear my varying notes across all my straws. I did mention that I think the bigger straws would work best because you can get the air in there easier. Maybe you could have used a few more of those regular sized straws so I could get a better sound, but fun nonetheless, and I made it myself, so I'm pretty proud of it. Oh, good morning, Debbie. Thanks for watching. So I hope you're able to make these. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can try this lesson. Send us your pictures and videos. I want to hear your pan flute skills. Maybe they're as good as the beginning of this video. I thought I was pretty good there, right? So I hope you do that. I'm excited to see what you come up with. I hope you join us on Friday because we will be playing with food. We are testing out the strength of spaghetti. It's going to be super fun, a perfect Friday activity. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.